Okay friends, today we're gonna stop by the Dunkin' Donuts and today we're gonna try a new drink. Alright? Let's have it. Alright. Maybe you can show a little the menu for just take that. Yeah. Give me the last one, yeah.
What size?
Yeah, he's the boss here. The
What
boss.
size? Medium?
Large.
Mudah loh. Okay, size. Don't have to hit it.
Alright, today we're gonna try a new one. Colada. We're gonna order the large size. See, large size is only $7.99. $7.99 with the tax is become $8.70. Right, for the large size. Colada. Alright. We are so thirsty today, so we try to get something new. See this one? They're making our order. What you put inside? What's that?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, and then you put what? There's a coconut.
Yeah.
See, that's how they make it.
I make it good for you. It's not supposed to be that heavy.
Yes.
I give you more flavor.
All right, that's good.
Because I know you, that's why.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Wow. See that? Show the menu clearly. Okay. Take time. You don't have a big straw anymore? Big straw? Only small.
Have ice cream too. Pistachio almond, rocky road, pineapple coconut, old
This is
fashioned
an ice cream
butter
that they have.
pecan,
Yeah.
relish and cream, Paloma Paradise, non-dairy Jamocha chip, Jamocha almond joy, chocolate chip cookie dough, non-dairy cookies and cream, world class chocolate, mint, chocolate chip, and chocolate chip. Cookies and cream and cotton candy. Fairy berry, strawberry, and chocolate. Vanilla and cherries jubilee. Monkey business and strawberry cheesecake. This is new. This is rainbow sorbet.
Yeah, see the menu? All. And this one too. The cone. Alright. Okay friends, this is our order. Large size of lava colada. Alright, you see this one? They put the strawberry flavor first, and then they put the coconut, and then they put the like pineapple. Alright, so we're gonna try this one. So anytime you feel thirsty, you can stop by the Dunkin' Donut and you can pick this one. Alright. Wow, I can feel the strawberry flavor, the coconut, and the pineapple. Right? Don't forget, pick this one. Alright? Right. Tell your friend, try this one.
Try this one today. It's really good.
Get it. Alright. See? Dunkin'. Alright? Okay. Thank you for watching our video and God bless. See you.